Today I'm going to be opening some mini brands. Ever since I got my first one, I've been obsessed. Okay, let's get started. So first we need to open the zipper thingy. Okay, that took a while, but I finally got it off. Okay, now we need to open the clear plastic on the ball. Now remove it, and then take off this little tag. It opens just like an orange. Now let's see what's in these little slices. A shopping cart! Is this a shopping cart or a bag? Wait. It's one of those rolling bags. Okay. I'm gonna try to build this. Two more pieces left, and then I'm finished. And then this was the last one. Voila! I'm finished. And look, you can even adjust this thing. Let's go like this, and then you can go like this. Move this to the side, this down. You can carry it. On to the next one. Let's see what's in this one. A chocolate syrup. Now another one. Soy sauce. And this one. Mentos. The minty kind. Let's see what's in this one. This Pez. Oh, I think these are for the shopping cart. Now time to put the stickers. So I'm going to put the first one right here in the center of the shopping cart. And then I'm going to put this one on the back where the handle is. Yay, now has the stickers. This is my collection now. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe.